Hello dear friends. Now you will see another selection of cool products. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell. Let's go.
Bike safety at its finest. Personalize your bike to fit your style. Each box includes enough lights for one bike wheel or frame so you can mix or match colors to suit your style, with 8 popular colors to choose from: blue, green, pink, red, white, multicolor, color changing and patriotic red, white and blue. We recommend getting 2 boxes, to have a set of lights for each bike wheel. No tools required for installation. We include everything you need inside our super cool LED bicycle rim lights set, including 3 long-lasting AAA alkaline batteries, silicone mounting rings and 21 LED ultra-bright bike lights. Our bike lights are so easy to install, you don't need any tools. Plus, you can install them in 5 minutes or less. Instant Pot is a smart electric pressure cooker designed by Canadians aiming to be safe, convenient and dependable. It speeds up cooking by 2-6 times using up to 70% less energy and, above all, produces nutritious healthy food in a convenient and consistent fashion. Instant Pot Duo 8-quart is a 7-inch -1 programmable cooker. It replaces 7 kitchen appliances as it has the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker and warmer. 14 built-in smart programs: soup, meat, stew, bean, chili, poultry, sauté, steam, rice, porridge, multigrain, slow cook, keep warm, yogurt, pasteurize and jiu-nyang. Cook your favorite dishes with the press of a button. A 24-hour timer allows for delayed cooking. Automatic keep warm. Various ways. Zonli weighted blanket can be used in various ways. You can lay the weighted blanket across the lap, wrap around the shoulders when you work, read or relax. It's also a good gift for your family members and friends.
The KSelect brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer combines a sleek design with our most popular features. Kick up your coffee strength and intensity with Strong Brew from the KSelect brewer. Select from 4 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. Quiet Brew technology minimizes noise when in use. The removable reservoir holds 52 ounces, which means you can brew 5 cups with just 1 fill. The KSelect brewer is made with fingerprint-resistant materials, and the drip tray is top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. The programmable auto-off turns the brewer off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. Using your KSelect brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and enjoy a perfect brew every time.
LIFX Mini is the perfect everywhere Wi-Fi-enabled LED light with millions of beautiful colors and whites, no hub required. LIFX Mini works with leading voice and smart home platforms and is Energy Star compliant. Wi-Fi router requirement, 802.11b, G, N standards compliant. Dimming, software dimming 1% to 100%. Do you like this video? Like it and share it with friends. Turn on post notifications to get all my latest updates.